Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bud Financial AI Platform Review My Usage Experience. Bud Financial AI Platform Review My Usage Experience offers an AI-powered platform designed to help individuals and small businesses manage their finances more efficiently. It aims to provide insights and predictions based on financial data, assisting users in budgeting, forecasting, and making informed financial decisions. Key features likely include data analysis, predictive modeling, and personalized financial recommendations. Their website provides details on their various subscription plans and features. Bud emphasizes ease of use and claims a transparent pricing structure with no hidden fees. They utilize advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze financial data, promising accurate and insightful reports. Availability is likely via web browser access. You can check their website for details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bud Financial AI Platform Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward, guiding me through connecting my bank accounts and setting up my profile. The interface itself is quite intuitive, it's clean and easy to navigate. I particularly like the interactive dashboards that visually represent my spending habits and projected cash flow. I used the budgeting tool to set monthly targets, and the platform automatically tracked my progress. The predictive modeling feature was interesting. It accurately forecast my spending for the next 3 months based on my historical data. The quality of the results was impressive, and the insights helped me identify areas where I could cut back on spending. I had a quick question about integrating a new account, and their support responded within a day via email. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would make it more convenient for on-the-go access. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but once I understood them, the customization options were really beneficial. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized financial recommendations. It offered actionable advice tailored to my specific financial situation. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Bud Financial AI Platform Review My Usage Experience. It's a powerful tool that simplifies financial management and provides valuable insights. That's my overview of Bud Financial AI Platform Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.